Hey friends, welcome to lesson 2 of Ready Up. Learning guides, you're going to want to have Teacher's Edition, page 37, open to lesson 2, more vowel teams. Today we're going to start on lesson 2 with more vowel teams, part 1, and this goes along with the standard no spelling sound correspondence for additional common vowel teams. Some vowel teams that say the A sound are A, I, and AY. These say the long A sound. We have vowel teams that make the E sound. These are EE and EA. I have one vowel team that makes the long I sound, and that's IE. There are two vowel sounds, make that 3, that make the long O sound. O, O-W, O-A for float, and O-E as in toe. All of those make the O sound, that long O. Then I have two vowel teams that make the long U sound. U-I and U-E. Fruit, do you hear that U? And blue make the long U sound. Let's get started on lesson 1 for today. Today we're going to learn to spell A in a different way. We're also going to spell I and O in a couple of new ways. So you should have your reading passage in front of you, students. I will give you a second to get that out. That's going to be on student page 37. Pause this video if you need to go get your reading passage and come right back. I'm going to begin by saying a couple of different sounds to you as I read the story aloud, so follow along. Snow day. Mike looks out the window. He sees the wind blow the snow. It is too cold to go outside. Mike will stay inside. He plays with his clay. All day he makes little dogs and cats. Later, Mike helps his brother make a pie. The pan they need is up high. They get the pan and make a tasty pie. So friends, in that story, we have a few long vowel sounds. Let's look at the word snow in sentence 2. Listen as I say this word. Sn-o. Now say it with me. Snow. The word snow has a long O sound spelled O-W. O-W is a vowel team that makes the long O sound. Now look at the word clay in sentence 5. Go ahead and circle or highlight the word clay. Listen as I say the word. Clay. Say it with me. Clay. Do you hear that long A sound? AY is a vowel team that makes the long A sound. Now let's look at the word pie. Say the word pie with me. Pie. The word pie has a long I sound spelled I-E. I've also circled another word, high. This one has the same vowel sounds, but it is spelled differently. This long I sound is spelled I-G-H. Go back in, highlight or circle those words that we highlighted today using the long O sound, the long A sound, and the long E sound. Get ready to do some practice tomorrow.